How
What's
is
funny
your?
is I don't like mustard or onions.
Do you need a pitcher of water?
Sure.
I dipped my hand in it. All right. Started off by Lonnie Minton right here.
Which one should I do first?
Whichever you have the strongest stomach for.
Mine was way worse than yours.
I don't know. You should try mine.
I don't think I want to. I like onions. I can eat a raw onion.
Really? Oh. Well, I got. All right, here we go.
You know what? Take a sip.
All right, here we go.
She's not even gagging already. You're doing great. Oh, I spewed it all over your shoulder.
Oh yeah.
Man. I'm so sorry.
Oh no.
She didn't even gag.
It's really strong.
Very
Right.
strong.
Mustard.
Okay, you gotta get a little bit more though. We kind of of this one,
Oh.
please.
I didn't like one. Moment break.
Ooh, the green onions, the roots in there.
All right, here we go.
That was
All right, here we go. On the second one here with the mustard
The worst.
and meats with apple juice. All right, here we go. Think of it as honey mustard
It's not any
or
mustard.
apple mustard.
apple mustard. We created
Ready?
it.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, she got it.
Well,
Round of applause for Leilani. Yeah.
So that is the smoothie challenge.
Camp starts in 139 days, so make sure you go on and register.
Early
And
birds coming up. Early birds coming up in March. Okay, get your registrations in by March 1st. Get $25 off of your registration. Okay, $25. That's a big deal. Okay, March 1st. Get those registrations in. Signing off from the Dan and Mike Show.
this is Dan.
And this is Mike. See you soon.
Have a great day.